My nose itches.
Can you scratch it?
No, that's disgusting.
You've ever done about 6 times a day, don't you?
Yep. Well, it's mud. I don't like mud.
Right.
Okay, guys, so we just
need
got...
some rubber boots so you can just stomp around in the mud.
Yes, I do. So I changed my jacket because it was getting... My other coat was nice. And yeah. Now we're going to feed these cows. And bulls, I think. Those are the bulls.
Yes, babies.
So, I'm going to go do that. Is that good? Oh my god. Hopefully you unpaused it. Oh, you did? Oh my goodness. Thanks. Gosh, Jerry. Were you doing that the whole time? Oh my gosh. I'm really bad at this. Watch me fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. You know what I want to do? Post it on YouTube, but apparently I'm not allowed to.
We might let you. I don't know.
How to fall? Move. This stinks so bad. It smells like cow. I'm gonna fall. Oh no. Yep, I need to fix this. I'm gonna wash these. How do you wash these?
I don't know.
Can you soak them?
Those look like they might come apart if you wash them.
Yeah, I think they're going to.
Can you stack the buckets up and shut the gate? The tailgate? Or you can ride on the tailgate up to that gate.
I can?
Uh-huh. Just stack the buckets up. Stack the buckets up. The empty ones.
That?
Uh-huh.
How do I ride on it?
You just hop up there and sit.
Hopefully it doesn't fall.
Turn around. Oh, so, never mind.
Thanks. Hey guys. I'm scared, but I'm gonna fall off, so I gotta hold on for dear life. So, oh my gosh, my butt is wet. Okay. Hi cows. Oh my god, I'm wet. I feel like I'm gonna fall off this. Oh my god. Got hair on my mouth. What if he did this to murder me? No, I'm just joking. He wouldn't do that. Watch me fall off. Watch me fall off. Like, I have a feeling that today I'm gonna fall in this mud because I have the worst luck. Literally, I'm not even kidding. I have literally the worst luck. But, whatever. Bye, cows! Oh, geez. I'm gonna pause this so I can, like, close the other gate, maybe. Oh my gosh! Ooh. Okay. Okay. I need to unlock this gate. Do I close the other gate? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, so, ew, there's like mud all over my phone case. I'm like the muddiest person I've ever been. I'm gonna sneak an M&M. Don't tell Jerry. No, so low. No.
We're gonna have to get Rose water.
Like, literally, look at my jeans. Like, all over. And this is my stepdad's jacket. Can you borrow it? Like, literally. My phone case, y'all should see it. It's like the dirtiest thing I've ever seen. And also, my shirt, and then my shirt under it's a little dirty. Horrible. I need to get a drink of Sprite, so. Okay, guys, look at this one. Hi! Look at it, it's so pretty. cutest. No, they're fat.
Alrighty then.
So right now he's going to feed like some cows, other cows. I think they're like baby cows and stuff. They're not a little cage. Actually, it's a big cage. Actually, I don't really know if it's a big cage, even though I've been in there before. So I might be able to post this on YouTube. So hi YouTube peoples, if I did get to. So yeah, so let me pause this and I'll show you the next location we're going to. My stepcat, Dad.
What?
The way you were looking, you were just like, God.
I was trying to count.
You're just like.
I have to think.
Nobody's probably gonna watch this video all the way, but you are. Oh my gosh. You know that's good. Anything? Wow. Anyways, so right now I'm at the farm still, and I don't know where we are. Oh, yeah, I do. I obviously know where the whole place is. Anyways, so I don't know the whole entire thing is. Anyways, but my stepdad is feeding some other stuff, so I hope he knows if I upload this to YouTube and my mom lets me, then he's gonna be on it. So. This little cow, this cow is hurt. It's like moving. We thought it was dead, but oh my gosh, it is the saddest thing ever. Hurt. Aw, sad. I think it hurt. Yeah, it is.
Billy? Breeding the cows. That bull's still down. Pull the gate to you a little bit, and now slide it off the wire.
That was easy. Thanks for recording for me.
You're welcome.
Oh, jeez. Cute! Look at that one laying down. Oh, it's so cute. Aww. Why do you think they're gross? They're cute.
I didn't say they're gross, I just said they're...
Yeah, I know.
Look at that when he's strapping like it's gone.
Aww. They're cute. Okay, so he just got finished feeding all those cows. Okay, apparently we have to, or Jerry and this one dude have to, what is his name?
Billy.
Billy has to, they apparently have to help a cow that's, like, dying, I think, probably. Yeah. Ouch, so. First, I'm pretty sure we're gonna unload the buckets, right?
You unload the buckets, I gotta go in the shop and get something.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a boy. There's 3 boys. I'm the only girl. Oh yeah, there's actually 4, because there's Jerry, this dude, another dude, and then a little boy, and this awkward. I'm surprised. What to do? Do I just like wait here? I don't like being around just men. It's so boring. So yeah, I will update y'all. So we're going somewhere. Where are we going?
To try and get that bull to sit up.
That's where we're going. Okay. I'm going to show y'all guys this cow. I showed y'all a while ago, but it was out a window. But here's a better look. This cow. I think these, oh my gosh. I think these other cows are so bad. This is what it looks like. Ew, I think it's dying, literally.
Yeah, it is.
Look at its eye.
Yeah.
It's okay. 500 or 807. This is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. That poor cow. I feel so bad for it. Oh my gosh.
Put your phone down.
Oh my gosh. I just drove I'm right here. This was easy. Oh my gosh. I think this is this is an automatic. So this is pretty easy. I think I could drive all day. I think if I got to like how me to learn, or how to learn how to drive. I think I could actually just drive this because this looks really easy. So. Oh my gosh! What's that? That poor cow. The reason why they're doing that is they're not abusing it or anything. They're just trying to like help it up because it's like laying down on its side and it can't get up by itself. That's literally the only reason why they're doing that. We're just trying to get it up and they're trying to help it, but you know. Little boy and he's in his pajama pants. Haha, that's really funny. I can see Jerry's underwear. Okay, so I'm in this video, and please like, subscribe down below, and please comment down below one of your video suggestions, what I should do. Challenges, just morning routine, night routine, like just like something that you think I would like to do, or you would like me to do. So again, please like, subscribe down below, and please hit the notification button on it, the notification, since this is my first video. And you know, you should do that to every single video I post, but I'm hoping I am posting this video. So see you guys later. Oh yeah, and please come out with an outro I should be saying. So bye.